Many people tell me, oh, Tamari, we talked to somebody that told us we got a custom cabinetry from this guy and he's going to build the cabinets for us. And they always ask me, what's the difference between working with the guy to working with actual manufacturer? It's actually a huge difference. The guy, you don't know it, but he can build your cabinets from his garage. And you get custom cabinets, but he knows how to do limit things and he works with what he have. You don't know what exactly the product is value or not. And tomorrow, guess what? The guy can be an Uber driver, so you have no warranty. So is custom better? Work with a reliable manufacturer. You want custom? Come and look at SOLLID Cabinetry. Manufactured for over 50 years in Arizona with the best warranty that you can get.